awesome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my kitchen. I just like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. When it comes, eat, drink, have fun, stay safe, stay blessed. Love you guys, love you. Okay, what I've got on my menu today, I am going to do brown stew pork with yellow rice, and I'm about to start. This is my pork. It's all washed with lemon juice and it ready for seasoning. I am just going to wash my hands and then I'll show you how to season my pork. For my pork, I'll be using turmeric, and I'm just using a small amount. I'll be also using garlic powder, onion powder, Jamaican jerk seasoning. I'm also using all-purpose seasoning. And this is pork seasoning. This is a must. So make sure you got pork seasoning when you're doing your pork. And I'm also using some coarse black pepper. So I've got all my seasoning, what I'm using for my pork. So I'm just gonna rub it all in and marinate it. I like to marinate my meat for at least a day or at least 4 hours. But because I have to show you guys what I'm doing from scratch, I can't do that. So next time when I'm doing my next video, I'll make sure I marinate my meat, because if you don't remember what to do, you can always go back to one of my video. Okay, so I'm gonna rub it all in and marinate it. Now that I've rubbed it all in, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a bit of my onions. So a bit of my white onions, a bit of my spring onions, and I'm gonna add a bit of hot scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm gonna add some thyme. And I've got a bit of garlic and a bit of ginger, so I'm gonna add some also. And I'm gonna rub all this in. This is smelling really good. So I've now finished seasoning my pork. I'm just going to leave it for a couple minutes and then I'll show you how to brown my pork and then cook it down. Guys, I'm now ready for frying my meat. Guys, look at my pork. It's browning. It looks really, really good. This is how your pork's supposed to look when you put it to brown. So you just keep frying it until when it's golden brown. And then when it's time for cooking, I'll show you exactly what to do. Okay? Guys, my pork is all fried and it's looking good. So what I'm going to do, the season what I use to season up my pork, I'm just gonna add all of my season. Gonna add my thyme, pepper, everything. And then I'm gonna use some of my dark soy sauce. I'm gonna pour it all over. Give it a little stir. And I'm gonna put it straight in my pan. I'm gonna add some tomato puree in. Just I'm just going to put my meat in. This is looking really good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some boiling water, then cover my meat and leave it to cook. So I'm just adding my boiling water, just enough water to cover my meat. It's all looking good, guys. So I'm just gonna cover it now and leave it to cook. So I'm covering it now, and what I'm going to do, I am just going to reduce my heat and leave it to slowly cook until when my meat is soft and tender. Okay, I'm about to start cooking my rice, my yellow rice. So Put in that amount of salt. And I'm adding this to my rice. So this is gonna make it have a yellow color. So that's why we call it yellow rice. All you need is just a pinch of salt and give it a good stir. And then I'm gonna leave it, and once it started boiling, I'm going to reduce the heat and leave it on low. I'm also going to add some sweet corn. So I'm just gonna cover it and leave it to cook. Once it started boiling, I am going to reduce my heat. And over here, I'm doing some vegetables to go with my meal, to go with my rice and my brown stew pork. In here, there's some carrots, broccoli, and so I'm going to use all that, some Brussels sprouts. So that will be my side dish. It's all washed and everything already. So all I'm going to do is add a bit of salt and leave it to boil. So let me turn my heat on. So my heat is on. I'm just going to add a bit of salt. Don't need a lot of salt. Too much salt is not good for us. And then I'm going to just leave it to boil. I'm not going to let it overcooked. I'm just going to steam it for a while so that when you're eating it, you can taste that crunchy bit, you know, to it. That's how I like my vegetables, when it's crunchy. I don't like it when it's overcooked. So I'm just leaving that to cook now. Let's have a look over here to see what's going on with my meat. Wow. Wow, wow. That is looking really good. Really, really good. When my meat is near finished cook, I've got some potato what I've diced up in small pieces. I am going to add it to my meat, but I'm going to wait until when my meat halfway through cooking, then I'm going to add my potato and then leave it to finish cook. So guys, this is my yellow rice, looking really, really, really good. It just need at least 5 more minutes and it's all ready. Because it takes 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So I'm just going to give it another 5 minutes and then I'm going to turn the heat off. But it's all looking good, really good, and it smells really good. And over here is my steamed veg. As you can see, my broccoli, my carrot, and my Brussels sprouts. It's all looking good as well. It's not overcooked because I do not like it overcooked. And over here is my brown stew pork. It's looking good. Smelling really good, looking good. It's all getting tender, so I'm going to give it another 20 minutes and then it'll be ready. But I'm going to add my potato straight in now. And then I'm just going to leave my potato to cook. So another 10 minutes and it'll be all ready. It's all looking good and it's all smelling really good. Hi guys, look, my rice is all cooked and it's looking absolutely delicious. Look at it. Wow. My yellow rice with my sweet corn. Looking really, really good, guys. And over here is my brown stew pork. Wow, look at that guy. Wow. Meat is absolutely tender. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Looking really, really good. And my little potatoes, they are looking good. Look at my gravy. It's all rich, thick and rich. Wow. Smell really good. And guys, over here is my vegetables. All looking good. Guys, my meal is all ready and it's looking good and it's smelling really, really good. So guys, if you like my meals, please give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Enjoy my meal. See you soon in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.